So in this program, the comparison of two numbers by using conditional operator will be done. So before we write the program, it is important to understand what is conditional operator. So in conditional operator, first it checks the condition. So what needs to be done when the condition is true, colon, what needs to be done when the condition is false, semicolon. This is the syntax of conditional operator in C language. Let's see how we can run the code. Okay, I am writing function directly, main function. I'm not writing header files here, as it is well known to all of us that most of the programs need stdio.h and co.h. I'm not writing them here. Now I'm taking two variables, int a equal to 10 comma b equal to 20. I'm not going for complexity, just for understanding the concept. I'm going for static initialization of variables. So here what will be printed? Suppose if I'm specifying the condition directly, a greater than b, if the condition is true, then a will be printed. If the condition is false, b will be printed. Okay, I'm storing this in a separate variable c. Okay, I'm printing it. Now you can see the output. Big number is 20. Now I am changing this as 30 and 20. If I run this, big number is, so I'm giving a little bit of space so that big number is 30. Okay, in this manner, we can use conditional operator in C language.